Hello friends, welcome to Come Play and Learn with me. I am Chef Kyra. I am not a normal Kyra. I am Chef Kyra. See, today I have put this chef cap and this apron. You know friends, I have no chef cap, so I am wearing this shower cap. And you can see this drawing on this apron. There's rainbow, one girl over here holding her magic wand. And there is a little house over here. And I have drawn this all. So now I'm going to show you one breakfast recipe. And it is corn chaat. I like corn chaat. It's so yummy and healthy for us. So can we start to make corn chaat? So here I am with my ingredients. I will show you how to make this chaat. I will tell you what we need to make this chaat. Cucumber, lemon, tomato, chaat masala, corn. We should peel the cucumber and chop it. Here we go. We have chopped cucumber. And we should cut this lemon now and remove the seeds. Okay, here we go. It's cut. Also chop the tomatoes now. Here we are. We have chopped the tomatoes. Boil this corn and add little bit of salt in it. So all is ready. So let us start to mix it. This is a mixing bowl. So we'll add this all one by one in it. Okay. So first I'm going to put the corn. Next I will add tomato. Now I will add cucumber. Now squeeze the lemon. Now let's take one pinch of chaat. Don't add more chaat powder, otherwise it will be salty and it will not taste good. So now mix it well. You can use any other vegetables like green peas, capsicum. Just boil it and put in this. Also you can use curd. Now it's so colorful. Green, yellow and red. Now mixing is done and it's ready to eat. Wow! Very nice smell. So now I can eat. Yummy. Please try this. Bye. And please like, comment and subscribe. My mouth is full of this chaat. Bye. Come play and learn with me. Please like, comment and subscribe.